Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Lou Fusz Jeep to look at a 2020 Gladiator Overland. It's a 4x4, so here we go. So here we have the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland soft top. It's offered in billet silver metallic with black leather trimmed interior. It's offered by Lou Fusz Jeep in St. Louis. For additional information or to set up a test drive, contact Alan. His information is listed below. On the rear of the vehicle, you can see the LED brake lights. The third brake light is right above the handle there to drop the tailgate, as well as the backup camera. We can see the Class 4 trailer hitch. It's pre-wired for your brakes and your lights on your trailer, as well as the tow hook to pull the other guy out of the ditch. You can see the tow hook there on the left side by the license plate. Here, as we move around to the perimeter, you can see the soft top, as well as the black running board. The wheels and tires are 18-inch wheels wrapped with 255/70 R 18-inch tires. Got a great look at that right here. And as far as your headlights, you got LED daytime running lights, LED reflector headlamps, LED fog lights. We have a heavy-duty Dana 44 front rear wheel axle, 3.73 gear ratio, sway control. Hey, it's the Videopreneur. If you like the videos, hit like, subscribe, make a comment, hell, hit the bell on the way out. Thanks again for watching. Electronic stability control, Torx Tool Kit, trailer tow package, engine block heater, heavy-duty engine cooling, remote start. We have a soft top storage bag. Great shot of the roll bar there. As we move around to the front of the vehicle, we can see the steering wheel. It's leather wrapped. It's also heated as part of the cold weather package. Fingertip controls on the steering wheel. Great shot of the center stack. We'll show more of that in a moment. Leather wrapped gear selector, as well as the four-wheel drive selector. Here's a great shot of the back. We can have additional power ports back here, as well as the window controls, power window controls right there. Here we can see the center stack, gear selectors, power window controls. There's the steering wheel controls. We'll show more of all that here in a moment as we jump into the front of the vehicle. There's the roll bar. Part of the roll bar has a wireless Bluetooth speaker that you can take out of the vehicle when you're out at a camping or just outside. Hook that up. Steering wheel controls here. We go through some of the functionality. We have individual tire gauges to tell you the tire pressure, and we punch through some of the functionality through the instrument cluster here. Here's a great shot of the center stack. There's the power window controls. All four window controls are right there in the center. That way when you take the doors off, you don't have to worry about any of the wiring. If the controls were on the doors, you'd have to fiddle with the wiring. The center console has additional power ports in there. We also have additional power ports right here on the dash, as well as a 12-volt power port. Nice little cubby to put a couple of pens in, some other stuff. There's your power window controls, your heating and cooling. And here we jump into the 8.4-inch touchscreen. It's part of the Uconnect 4. We have navigation, Alpine Premium audio. As I mentioned, also the wireless Bluetooth speaker. We have Apple CarPlay, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, blind spot and cross path detection, adaptive cruise control, as well as the backup camera. It's part of the Parkview backup camera package. There's all your books in your glove box. It is a lockable glove box. Here we can see the tailgate, and as I open this, you can see how slow it drops. And that is a 5-foot bed with a spray-in bed liner. really convenient. You can throw your items in there, take the top down. What a joy to drive this vehicle. Additional lighting in the back, and the tailgate closes very easily. You can do it right there with your fingertips. There's the backup camera again. As far as an engine is concerned, we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It produces 285 horse, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, 17 city, and 22 highway.